Any doubt? Last session invoice and credit memo both I discussed, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt in that? Okay. These 2 points are very important and we will use frequently. Okay. Anyhow, I am going to discuss the another once again same invoice only, but related for credit, subsequent debit, subsequent credit, subsequent debit and subsequent credit. The concept name is okay, subsequent credit. Okay, subsequent. Okay, 2 topics. One by one discuss. For subsequent debit or subsequent credit also compulsory we need a purchase order. Okay, I need a example 1. Okay, debit. Last class we returned material to the vendor, then we created credit memo. Okay, credit memo. Now subsequent debit means like example. Okay, vendor. First we will create the invoice, purchase order first. Okay, purchase order. From purchase order to we will create here the purchase order. We will create the MIGO. You can call GR. After MIGO, MIRO. First invoice. After invoice, then we have to create a subsequent debit. That is also MIRO. Okay, MIRO. This is the procedure one by one. This is example 1. Okay, this is example 1. Okay, the same concept, purchase order, same concept. Same concept. Subsequent debit. This is subsequent credit. This is example 2. Okay, example 2. How to create? How to create? Can you see my screen now? Both. Bhavya, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, to do this procedure, first we have to create the PO, ME21N. Okay, document overview on. Okay, select the variant, purchase orders. Okay, purchase orders. Okay, plant name. Execute. Okay, execute. Select any purchase order number, adopt. Okay, select any purchase order number, adopt. Okay, this is 100 kg I am going to maintain. Enter. Okay, enter. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Same procedure. I'll copy once again. Okay, 2-3 purchase orders I am going to copy. We'll keep it ready for procedures. Okay, save it. Then 14 also created. Next 3 purchase orders I copied. Okay, 3 purchase orders I copied. Copy this purchase order. Copy this purchase order. 13. MIGO. MIGO. Okay, click on MIGO. Okay, we are calling goods receipt. Okay, we are calling goods receipt. Okay, goods receipt. Okay, how to maintain? Copy paste here. 13 is the purchase order number. 13. Okay, 13. So 13 is the purchase order number. Enter the 13 and 101 is the movement type. Okay, 101 is the movement type. Okay, enter. 100 I am going to receive. 100. Even you can check the stock in MMBE also. Check the stock. I am going to increase my stock. Okay, with this material. See this material. 504 there. Now I am receiving a 100 kg. If I receive 100 kg, 604 will come. Okay, this is goods receipt. Check the. Okay, check the item. Okay. Check the item. Okay. Click on check. Post. Okay, click on post. Now it is ready. Okay, it is ready. Like that, you can post that 14 also. Okay, 14. Click on check. Like that, n number we can post it. Okay, n number. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Control S. Now we'll go to MIRO. See now, if I refresh here, 704 will come. 704. 200 I received. Okay, 200 I received. Okay, 200. Okay, this procedure we can call receiving goods. Now we'll create the first invoice. Okay, MIRO. Okay, invoice. This is today 27th. Okay, invoice purchase order number 113. Sorry, 113. 9,000 only, that is number. Here somebody changed some settings. OBBG procedure is changed. L tax. And we'll go to MIRO. Okay, which we created last class. This tax procedure. Invoice date. Enter the purchase order number. Okay, 9,000. Okay, LG05 is now authorization. Why? For the vendors. Okay, it is somebody changed here. OP57. Authorizations related issues is coming. Okay, 78 FICO 89. 78 FICO HPGR. Okay, OBE3, it is a code. Customers vendor related. Company code LG05. It is not there here. Is there? No, LG05. Okay, here it is there. Here some more default tolerance. It is here. The default tolerance group is there. It's here. Okay, let me check now. MIRO. Okay, every time you have to verify the records compulsory. Okay, now purchase order number, it is not showing any payment here. Okay, we already opened here. My RO 27, purchase order number 13. Okay, now amount 9,000 if I pay, it should not get any error. Okay, no authorization for vendor. This will happen. Okay, let me check the change this one. Some authorization related issue. OBA3. Okay, enter. And let me check with the 9,000. Okay, it's not coming here because of authorization in the 05. Hmm. 110 vendor. Let me check all the accounts. This is account related LG05. Sorry. OBA0, OBA4. MIRO. Same data. Okay, 9,000. No authorization for the LG05. No amount authorization for customer rental item has been specified the company code, user group to which you are assigned. Provide that you are not explicitly assigned to the user group. If you enter the correct company code, initiate the maintenance of the tables. What is our company code? Our company code is 1. Control F LG05. LGBN, correct only. This is correct. A3 05. This tolerance name. B7 9 1000 1000 okay, MIRO okay 9000, you know, because of authorization group. If you maintain the path, okay, old authorization group, if you maintain old authorization group, you'll get error. Now it is correctly balances. Okay, this is we can call invoice. See this invoice. First to see the invoice document is created. Now if I go and check this display, see the transaction clearly. I'll explain the follow-on documents under that accounting document. So that's the same last class example only. This is okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, difference is here. I am running now debit, credit, subsequent debit I am running. See the what will happen if it is subsequent debit. If I run the subsequent debit, what will happen? You can see. Now I'll go with the subsequent debit right now. Okay, instead of this one, we'll go for subsequent debit. I copied already one document. Let me paste it in Paint. This subsequent debit example. Debit, you see here, first one. Then let me copy once again. I'm running with subsequent debit, same transaction, same transaction. One. The price, same purchase order. The price, each price is okay. Just I'm going to maintain each kg 10 rupees extra. Okay, 10 rupees extra. We'll see. Okay, 10. Okay, not 10. 1000 rupees I'll give. 1000 rupees. This 1000 I'll settle the balance. This is subsequent debit. Check this simulate. See the transaction. See the transaction. Snipping tool. Then who is going to pay the transaction here? Subsequent debit. Okay, subsequent debit. See the transaction. See the transaction. Then I'll discuss. Here already I settled the payment. Means settle means 9,000 correct only, minus 9,000 minus. Now some 10 rupees is increased in market. Right now material is increased 10 rupees. 10 rupees means 1000 rupees per 100 kgs. 1000 rupees is increased. Okay, then increased. Then who will pay this 1000 rupees? As per the conditions, terms and condition, company will pay to
Vendor.
Pay to vendor. Okay, how much is that amount? Okay, that amount is 1000. That 1000 amount I am calling subsequent debit. Is this point is clear? Any doubt here? You can see here only transaction, both comparison I am doing. Okay, now what will happen in this case of this subsequent creditor? Here if it is price is increased, if price is decreased, understood my point? If price 1000 rupees is decreased, then who will pay?
Vendor has to pay to the company.
Exactly. Okay, the credit, that is only you can call it. Meaning, okay, vendor will pay to company. Vendor will pay to the company. We can call subsequent credit. Okay, subsequent credit. This point is clear. Same transaction, I am working on that. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, let me run the same transaction already opened. Just post, that's it. Okay, post. So now done. But here it is blocked for payment. Okay, that is another transaction. Okay, write down. How to unblock? This is another example. How to unlock the blocked payment. Okay, example 3 means whenever you get blocked, okay, blocked for payment. Blocked for payment. How to blocked? Blocked for payment, that is how to unblock. How to unblock. Okay, payment. The T code is MRBR. Very simple. T code is MRBR. The T code is MRBR. Okay, go to here MRBR. $114. Same only I can enter. Same amount I'll create it. But this is not debit. This is credit. Baseline date. Now see the amount 1000. See the balance 1000. Balance becomes equal. See the simulate option. See the difference here. Transaction difference. I'll show the clear transaction. Okay, I'll show the clear transactions. Check now. You have seen already here debit, credit you can see. Credit you can see. You see here. For who is going to pay? Vendor is plus, it is showing. Who is going to pay to material? Vendor is going to pay the material to inventory. That is amount to inventory. That we can call. Okay, that we can call subsequent credit. Okay, credit. For that it is locked. Okay, how to unlock also. First let me post here. It is posted. It is posted. Let me unlock the debit amount. MRBR is the transaction code. This is we can call released. Okay, released blocked invoice. Okay, released block invoice. Okay, released blocked invoice. Okay, go to execute. Okay, that is already released. 16, I think. Okay, it is not released. Here now. You select here. Invoice document number. Select here. And click on release invoice. Okay, click on release invoice. That's it. Okay, release invoice. Save it. Okay, save it. Now this is the way to release this one. Okay, to release this one. Now simple T codes are there pending. Let me show. Any doubt released invoice? Sudarshan, Bhavya?
No, sir.
Okay, now let me start with cancel. Like example, now you posted. Now I have to cancel that invoice. Okay, to cancel the invoice, okay, go to logistic invoice verification. Cancel invoice is here. Okay, MR8M. Okay, MR8M. Okay, MR8M. MR8M. Cancel invoice. Okay, enter the reason. Okay, reversal reason. Reversal or incorrect document date or whatever it is, wrong GL account, whatever. Reversal in current period. This is how to cancel. Okay, how to cancel. Click on invoice document. Okay, click on invoice document. Click on reverse it. Okay, click on reverse it. Now invoice is reversed. Means the document is reversed. Okay, this is the procedure. New document is created. Even if you want to check that document, you can go and check that. Okay, check the display document 18. Let's see. This is a 18. Reversal we can see. Okay, reversal. Here follow on document. Cancellations here. Cancellation. Accounting document. It will throw opposite. Okay, once again vendor will minus this is plus. 31 40. 31 is a credit, 40 is a debit. Okay, 40 is debit. Credit entry and debit entry. Okay, credit. Vendor is credited, inventory is debited. Okay, inventory is debited. This procedure we can call this. Okay, vendor is received, inventory is okay debited. Okay, inventory is this procedure we can call. Okay, this procedure we can call. Okay. How to cancel the invoice? How to cancel the invoice? Okay, cancel invoice. Display MIR5 is nothing but just a list of invoice documents. Okay, to check all the list of invoices we can use. Okay, if you execute here LC05, whatever you worked on that, it will show clearly all MIR were related. It will show all today also it will show. Okay, today. Okay, next. Invoice overview. This is also just only to check that one. Document wise, you can see that particular invoice. No invoice documents were selected. Just maintain the invoice document number here. Okay, that number if you select, it will show invoice document number. Next, park invoice. This is one specific concept. They will ask question. Parking invoice. If your amount is any like issues while posting, okay, maybe we have to confirm with our manager, or like tax related information if you want to maintain, or something like a purchase order reversal, PO reversals, or okay invoice reversals, something like a okay return goods, those time. Okay, we do some park invoices. Okay, means we'll keep it park MIR7. Park invoice. Double click. Here you have to select it invoice, document date, invoice 14, purchase order number, same amount I have to maintain here with the baseline data. Okay, baseline data. Now if I click simulator, instead of simulator, here you will click here park. Say now this option we can call say park invoice. Okay, hold also there. Both I will discuss one by one. Park invoice. Okay, first this is park. Okay, parked invoice. If you click this save option, it will be parked. If you click here hold option, that is a hold. Okay, it will be holded. See that ID will be generated. ID parked. Let me show the hold also. For parked, it generated one document number. Let me show the hold. This is the number 13 or 11. Okay. Let me enter the same 9000. This time what I'll do, I'll hold the document. You see the difference now. Okay, document is held. Okay, two documents are there. Now check here, show structure. Under that show work list. Parked document is created, held document is created. This is 19, this is 20. If you want to clear the either parked document, either held document, we can clear the both one by one. Okay, one by one. To post this particular clearing document, okay, to post. Okay, double click. Okay, double click. Okay, then you can post here. Okay, you can post the document. See now, document is posted. Okay, correctly. Okay, document is. Okay, next. Okay, next. If I refresh here, held document will get. Okay, held document. The same way, parked document. Okay, same way, parked document. Okay, same way, parked document. Click on say held document is completed. Next, parked document. Double click. Okay, double click. Maintain. Here. Okay, parked document. Okay, this is parked. Okay, this is parked. Okay, now it is over. Now all invoice concept which I completed, this invoices is completed right now. Okay, invoice concept meaning. Let me discuss all the invoices once again. Okay, what is the concept I covered? Okay, like all the concepts I'm just revising. Under the logistic invoice verification, 7 concepts are very important. Logistic invoice verification. Under logistic invoice verification, that name is first invoice tax procedure I explained. Procedure. OBBJ I explained. After OBBJ, then credit memo I explained. Then subsequent credit, subsequent debit, okay, subsequent debit, subsequent credit, then cancel invoice, park invoice, hold invoice, how to unblock, okay, unblock invoice, block, okay, invoice, that is only blocked invoice. Okay. Okay, invoice. Okay, block. Okay, blocked invoice. These are all the different concept. Okay, different concept. Okay, different concepts are there. All these concepts are completed right now. Okay, now only limited concepts are there right now pending. Okay, limited concept. Let's see. These are all advanced procurements. Okay, advanced procurement. Another first one is vendor consignment, contracting, vendor consignment, subcontracting, okay, pipeline, RTP, okay, RTP, MRP, batch management, okay, external service management, okay, then resume. Okay, resume. These are all the pending concepts are there. By next week, okay, I'll cover these all the concepts. Maybe this week I'll try to cover up to RTP also. We'll see. Okay, in one session, I have to complete pipeline and RTP, vendor consignment one class, subcontracting also one. These are all small okay sessions, separate examples. Okay, one example I have to cover here. Yeah, I have to cover. Before that, okay, if you are very good with this inventory management and invoices, these are all very easy. If you are not good with inventory management, this okay, it is little bit difficult. Okay, little bit difficult. That's what your work today. Just complete all the exercises, then we will concentrate on this concept. Darshan, can you practice this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want, you can come down in Institute. This week I will be available Saturday.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah. Okay, even Bhavya, you also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Practice this one, and tomorrow class I'll start with advanced procurements. Okay, advanced procurements.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'll start with now.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, well.